Magic Light AI versus Invideo.io. So Magic Light AI is transforming text prompts into animated videos, including characters, animations, and voiceovers, with claims of supporting long-form outputs for up to 30 minutes. It markets itself as fast, flexible, and capable of creating long-form content. So its pros are user-friendly interfaces. It simplifies video creation for non-editors. It also supports long-form video generations unique among similar tools. It's also able to create complete animated videos in under 10 minutes. The cons is though, they have some trust issues, and they have reliability in inconsistency with the key functions. Now, InVideo AI, on the other hand, is a widely used platform that uses AI to convert scripts into polished, broadcast quality videos with B-roll, overlays, and voiceovers. It's designed for content creators needing regular video output across social channels. So its pros is it balances simplicity with control, easier than advanced editors, and more customizable than fully automated tools. It also has a large media library with templates, stock footage, and avatars. It also has a flexible pricing, and it's strong for marketing and small businesses. The problem is though, custom videos can feel templated and generic, and they have a free tier, but it is very restrictive. So overall, choose Magic Light AI if it might may appeal if you want fast, long-form animated videos with minimal effort. And then choose InVideo AI if you want a more polished experience with strong use case coverage and scalable pricing.